Hi ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. It's authentic right here. So in this particular video, I'm going to be walking you guys through step-by-step guide on how you can be able to verify your KYC in Ruby network. That is everybody that are participating in Ruby project. Stick around this video because I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to verify your KYC, right? All you need to have all the necessary requirements before the Ruby team will invite you to or give you the access to come and verify your account, because as we all know, as Ruby KYC stands now, it is based on invitation. So there are some criteria that you need to meet, then you wait for them to give you the invitation to come and verify your account, right? So and if you have not started this project, do well to get started immediately with the link in the description section and comment section of this video, right? So now let's dive straight into the video, and you have to make sure that you participate in this project and be very, very active with it so that you will get all the required things available, right, as early as possible, so that you guys will be among the people that will be verified in this batch, right? The first batch of verification was done last year. That was batch KYC 1.0. Now we are in batch KYC 1.5, and this will be the largest verification slot that will be given out according to the team. So do well to participate and ensure you don't miss out in this particular one. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get it done. Firstly, you have to make sure that you've created your account, or let me say your wallet, right here. Like I've already started telling you guys all you need to get, right? You have to make sure that your wallet here is set up already. Let me open mine. I've made series of video concerning Ruby block, so okay, I'll close it. So I've made a series of video concerning this project, how to create your wallet and everything. Do well to watch that video. I'm going to be attaching them in the description section of this particular one. So to create the account is very simple. It's as simple as ABC. You know, if you have not created yours, you just come to this wallet session. You will see create wallet. They say copy your secret phrase and all those things. You just write it down safely. So after you are done creating your wallet, you need to have at least 4 pieces of Ruby right here, because you are going to be needing it for verification. So you can buy from their team, which is the Ruby team, or you can buy from any vendor. There are a lot of vendors selling Ruby right now, right? So I think a piece right now is around 50 to 100 naira, that kind of thing. So if you know you can't get it, you can reach out to me and I will sort it out for you guys. All right, so that is the first and second thing. Make sure you set up your wallet, set up your pin for transaction, everything about your wallet, and have at least minimum of 4 Ruby right here. So after you've gotten all those things done, then let's come to the home page right here. You come to this personal information, you click on user verification. Okay, all right, so you click on this eKYC. You can see that I'm not yet verified. We wait for them to bring it up for me. I think my network is fluctuating. Okay, so welcome to Ruby KYC. You click on continue. So these are the few things you need to set up for you to get invitation. As you can see, I've already gotten invitation, so everything is check mark right here. So I'm now eligible to do my KYC. So firstly, you need to make sure that you have at least 30 pieces of Ruby. Like you have mined up to 30 pieces. No, that is not that. This particular one is you complete the ownership information. That is, make sure that your account is complete. This is where you are going to complete the ownership information. This particular place that they wrote my information, you tap on it. It just requires your basic information, your name, your surname, your email address, you know, all those few details. Just tap on it and fill them. Make sure you fill them correctly the way it is in your national identity. Then you get it set immediately. That is the first thing. That is complete ownership information over 30 days, right? Then the second one is for you to exploit at least 30 Ruby right here. Make sure you have mined up to 30 Ruby in your account. Then you wait for them and receive invitations. So like I told you guys, we are now in KYC 1.5, right? So do well to make sure you don't miss out in this section, right? So these are the major things. You don't really require much. Complete your profile and make sure you have mined up to 30 Ruby right here. So that will give you slots to do your verification immediately. So now let's proceed with our verification, right? With already knowing all this, then you are good to go. So with all this being said and done, you are good to go. Let me just put it that way. So I will click on my eKYC, click on continue, still click on continue as well. So scroll up to the last, then agree to these terms and condition, then click on continue. So for me, I'm going to be exploiting for Ruby right here, right? So as I said, you will have at least maximum of 4 Ruby. So this is it right here. They say choose a priority level. Please select your priority level, then proceed to make a reservation to continue KYC. Right, so you guys can say that this particular 4 Ruby right here will give me access. This is the priority level 1. It will allow me to submit up to 5 times, and the queue will be just less than 100 people. And expected result return time is at least within 4 hours. They have already given me response. If my verification was successful or not, they would have given me response within 4 hours, right? And I have up to 5 times to submit this KYC. That is, if the first one wasn't successful, I'll try second one, third time, fourth and fifth. That is the benefit. Then if you want to exploit 3 Ruby right here, you will have only 3 times to try, and you wait for 24 hours before they will give you response. Then you click on 2 Ruby right here. You have only 2 times to try, and it will take you up to 7 working days before they will give you response, because you will be in queue less than 10,000 people. So that's why I would advise us to have at least 4 Ruby, right? It's not even up to 500 Nigerian Naira, or depends on your currency. So just make sure you choose this first one that says 4 Ruby, right? You click on make a reservation. Click on make a reservation. Okay, they are saying something over here. I think it's network. Let me click it again. Okay, it's not really going at this point. Maybe I should give them some time, then I will come and try again. Okay, so I keep on trying, and this particular one is not still going. So this is my suggestion. If you try this particular 4 and it's not going, just try this particular 3. I think it will still work. So let me bring it to 3 right here. Then click on make a reservation. Okay, the 4 is not going, but the 3 went through, so we should go with 3. At least we have up to 3 times to try again, and hopefully you will get verified, right? So now here's what they say: open your wallet and scan this QR code to pay 3 RBL. You can ask your friends to help you pay this fee in your wallet balance is not enough, and stuff like that. So this particular one, press checkout to pay fee now, or press QR code to process. So we just have to press the checkout so that we'll pay 3 Ruby to this particular address. So I'll click on checkout right here. Then you will send 3 Ruby, stuff like that. Click on transfer. Then I will put my pin, right? Alright guys, so I'm done putting my pin. So when you'll be setting up your wallet, they will request you to create a pin. This will be your transaction pin, right? So I'll just click on done right here. I'll wait for them. You can see transfer successful over here. So we have already successfully completed the transaction. So the next thing is to click on this place that they wrote already paid, right? So I'll click on already paid, and you guys can see they say amazing success, you have successfully paid the KYC booking fee. Please press KYC now to continue. So once you just get this done, the next thing is to click on KYC now. That if you really want to proceed with your KYC immediately, you click on KYC now. If you don't want, you will you just press on later, then come when you continue. But just want to proceed with it right now. Let's proceed. So now these are the things that you just need to put in place. You just have to read through them, and you choose either you are going with your national ID or your passport. But for me, I'll be going with my national ID. So I'll click on continue. They say you are using a paid KYC request. You have a maximum of processing the KYC to correct errors and blah blah blah. So just click on okay, got it. So now this is where you are going to be filling your informations. This is where you'll be filling your informations, your document, your ID number, full name, exactly the way it is in your ID. Just take note of all these. All these are compulsory things, the way it is: date of birth, your gender, nationality, place of origin, and so on and so forth. Right, so you proceed, right? This particular one, they said expiry date. If you don't have expiry date, just give at least 2040, make the date very long. Then date of issue, place of issue, and everything, just put all those things. Date of issue will be in your national ID. Then they say ID card and portrait photos. This particular one is the front of your ID, submit it. Then the back of your ID, submit it. Then scroll up, they say take your photo according to the illustration. So you have to write Ruby in a sheet of paper. Let me say a white sheet of paper. Write Ruby, you write the day, the month, and the year. Then you hold it with your national ID, that is your identity, and snap in this format, right? I've already done all those. So once you get everything done, then you proceed with KYC. So let me quickly fill my information, then we'll proceed. So guys, I want to make this in clear. Like the ID card you are using, like most of us that are using our national ID, we know that our NIN no get expiry date, but just make sure you choose a date right here. Okay, just make sure you choose a very far date. All these column are very necessary. Don't skip it. As you guys can see, I choose 28 October 2040, right? So all these things are things you should do. Make sure you fill all the dates and all the details. Okay, then you proceed, because that's one of the issue that I have seen with some people. They skip the date and they got problem in the verification. It was pending for a while and they have to repeat. So whenever you see all these requirements that have this red column, just know that it is a necessity. Don't skip them. All those things that has red column, right? Make sure you fill them. Okay, they are very, very necessary. All right, so I'm done putting all my details. I'm done taking everything. So once you just got everything set, you click on this place that they wrote, I'll read and agree to privacy, blah, blah, blah. Then you can see send KYC. Click on send KYC. Then you will see what will pop up. All right, so they say awaiting approval, priority level 2 key index. So we still have like two more chances to go, right? So solution worldwide KYC 1.5 waiting for approval, right? So I'm expecting a response from them, right? As you guys can see, the countdown is live already. So within this stipulated time, they are going to respond to me if my verification was successful or not. So you can click on this place that I wrote view detail to see the details you submitted and all right? So kind of just know if you really got everything the way it's supposed to be. All right, so that is just that. And once you just get everything done like this, then just know that you're good to go, and that is just that, right? So I just have to wait for them. After the countdown, I'll come back and tell you guys if it was successful or not. But these are just the step-by-step guide on how to be able to perform your KYC in the Ruby blog. So if you really found value right here, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, comment on this video, and share it so that every other person will get this knowledge. All right. So let's just wait and see what the outcome will be. All right. So till then, stay safe, stay cool, and enjoy yourself.